Okay, so we're going to be making some kitchen roll or toilet roll rockets today. All you're going to need is either a kitchen roll or toilet roll. I've got a kitchen roll, and some paint works good best. I know not everyone has paint at home, so you can use pens, pencils, you can use coloured paper, anything you got to make your rocket. What you need to do first is you're just going to paint your rocket, and then once it is all covered like so, you're going to need to let it dry. Shouldn't take, depending on what you've used, shouldn't take too long to dry. And once it is all dry, like this one is almost dry, you can then decorate it. So let's put that down there. You need to get some glue, and I've cut out some triangles and some circles to make mine. You can use any colours you want, use any shapes you want. I've gone with having some circular windows, so just add the glue on and then just put it onto your roll. Just like so, and then you've got your two windows, and then I've cut out 3 triangles, so I've got 2 slightly smaller ones, 1 larger one. The large one I'm going to put at the top. Just put that on, and I'm just going to make sure it's in line with the 2 circular windows, and then just fold it around like so, and then it will end up looking like this. And then you might need to let it dry a little bit, make sure it's all pressed down. You might need to hold it in place until it has dried a little bit, or you can use a different shape. What you're then going to do is get your 2 smaller triangles, and you're going to put them on the side like this, one on either side. And then you have your rocket. So I'm just going to let mine dry to make sure the top bit stays on. But there you go, nice little rocket. You might want to draw some little people in the windows, you might want to put your name on. You can make whatever you want. You might not want to make a rocket, you might want to make another vehicle. But yeah, just a quick craft for you to do with bits that you might have lying around at home. Little junk modelling bit for you. I look forward to seeing yours.